Hello and welcome to the video. As you can tell, I'm not in the lab. This is Adam. Say hello, Adam.
Hello.
We are socially distanced, recording this on the last day of freedom before lockdown phase 2, and I'm here to fly the AR Wing Pro. Now this, as you've probably seen already in the other videos, this is something that I had a little bit of something to do with, and I've been desperate to fly it for a couple of weeks. So a huge shout out to Andrew Newton, who's been waiting for me to post mine first before he posted his maiden video. Thank you, Andrew, for that. That's very thoughtful and considerate. You're a gentleman and I appreciate it. So Adam is going to be my spotter cum cameraman. Adam is really generous with his time today, just because in the video that I put out on Tuesday, I talked about my plan that I was going to do, of how it was all going to happen or not, and Adam very generously said, I live locally, I've got a bit of free time this week, I can come and give you a hand. So he's here to give me that hand. So massive thank you to Adam, because without him this maiden wouldn't be happening. So we're going to shoot it as it happens. I'll probably insert little clips at the bottom. Fingers crossed this doesn't go horrendously, because if it doesn't, I can't go flying and try this again until December. Okay. 5 satellites, she's nearly there already. That's quick. So what we're going to try and do is, as I launch it, Adam is very carefully going to keep the 2 meters distance because we're not masked up. I'm going to call out the speed and also the current draw. Unfortunately, with the DJI goggles, they're not going to record the on-screen information, so I'm not going to be able to get that telemetry back. DJI, please fix that. So what we'll do is we'll kind of do it on the fly, as it were. So Adam is very kindly just going to kind of be my spotter, and we'll use the audio from that camera, and where I can I'll insert, if it isn't clear on the playback in the YouTube video, I'll kind of pop what I'm saying at the bottom. Now all I'm doing here is just waiting for GPS satellites. I need enough. I'm going to use auto launch, that hopefully will work. Auto launch should do the majority of the work for us, and then once it's running we should be away. So let's just see, we've got 6 satellites. I reckon she'll be happy. So we'll arm, we'll raise the throttle, and we're off. Okay, we're running about 53 miles an hour, pulling at about 9 amps. I'll put back to 50% throttle, about 200 feet. Have you got it, Adam?
Yeah, it's looking good.
Fantastic. Okay, let me do the servo trim, and then hopefully right, let me put it into manual and see what she does. So I've just done a servo trim, and this is full manual. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Right, I'm just going to fly it around. So we are running 8 amps, and we have about 46 miles an hour. Very smooth. I'll come back around. Little bit of wobble, not much. Okay, we're coming in towards ourselves now. Towards ourselves, yeah. No, hang on. There we are. A little bit high. Let's lose some of this height. Okay, we'll do some nice runs up and down, some passes, so Adam can get a view. Again, running about 7 amps, just about 45% throttle, about 53 miles an hour. Again, full manual at the moment. We're not using any of the iNav goodness. So we'll do a turn. Have you just got a black dot in the sky, Adam?
Yeah, it's coming to view now.
Good lad. Thank you so much for this. I do appreciate it.
No problem.
Turn away from the houses so we don't get too close. That is absolutely epic. Okay, what we're going to try and do then is, again, running about 7 amps with this folding prop. 46 miles per hour is the speed. And it looks lovely. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, it looks really smooth. Very stable. It's nice and quiet as well.
It's not bad, is it, actually? Okay, so what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to see if I can stick it into loiter and let Adam have a look through the goggles, because he's never seen the DJI stuff in action. So this is going to be also a test now of whether or not now, interestingly, the DJI stuff's just flipped into LED mode, which isn't great, however. Okay, let me try. No, that's not good. Okay. Try one more time. No, we need more nose up attitude on the model. Unfortunately, loiter is immediately putting the nose down, so she does need a fraction more nose up. Although I think the servo auto trim's done a reasonable job. Get to pull round. So we've been flying for a little while. So I think it's time to try a landing. What do you think, Adam?
Yep.
Okay, we're coming towards ourselves here, we are. Oh, not bad. So that was very nice, actually. Nothing particularly unexpected, which is good, and nicely controllable. Not too much waggle. We've got a really calm day. The iNav setup needs tweaking. The nose is too far down. It needs lifting a little bit, because at the moment it was kind of struggling with loiter. But that's fine. That's something we can do back at base. Let's just unplug it for safety. So there we have it, AR Wing Pro Maiden. Thanks again to Adam for all the fantastic camera work and being my spotter. And yeah, still giving it a big thumbs up.
Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists, and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning, and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.